Hello everyone, I hope all of you had a great Onam. Belated wishes to you. Someone asked me on my DMs if the movie called Hriday Purvam is worth all the hype, and they were also concerned if I should watch it in the theaters or should I just wait for the OTT. It's starred by Lalaten, directed by Satyanandi Kadsar, also has amazing performances by Sankeet, Sangeeta, Malvika, Lalu Alex and a lot of other actors out there, and even Siddiq. Is it worth the hype? I would say yes. Because the movie has a lot of elements of the vintage Lalaten that we have seen. But is it a movie that has the best or the brilliant performance or brilliant moments of Lalaten's acting? I wouldn't say so. But he is still very fun to watch. Such an ease to watch him. It's like a cool breeze, you know, to watch his acting right there. The movie is a little bit cliched here and there, and the kind of comedy in the movie, it's so nice that it can connect with a lot of people across generation. So I like the kind of comedy that's been used, that's there in the movie. So it's a typical Satyanandi Card, Lalaten kind of movie, and the plus factor of this movie is Sankeet. Oh my god, that guy, that actor, he is the bridge, he's the anchor of this movie. Because whenever the movie was getting a little boring, little slow, he was the one who was holding it all together. So kudos to him, loved his acting as always. Someone asked me if this is an OTT watch. So this is your call to take. During this Onam season, if you want to take your family along with you and chill and watch a nice family movie, Hriday Purvam is a great choice. It's an amazing choice. And it's like going back to the 2000s. You know, in my case, when I was young, we used to go for movies together with family and all. So at that time, the choice of movie that we had always was something like Vinoda Yatra, something like, you know, Tanmatra and movies like that. So this is something of that kind. Okay, so I missed watching it along with my family when I watched it all by myself here in Noida. Now, is it an OTT watch? Of course, yes. Because if I had a tough weekend, you know, tough week at work, or I've been chasing deadlines for a whole week and I want to just unwind, this is the kind of movie that I would go to over the weekend, grabbing a cup of hot chocolate, a cup of coffee. So that's something that I would prefer. So this is also an OTT watch. So the choice is yours. So I love the movie. It's a good watch. It's a refreshing watch, I would say. So do watch this movie and let me know what are your thoughts in the comments below.